Best Credit Cards for Beginners 2026. If you're new to credit and want to build your score fast in 2026, this video could save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars. Choosing the wrong first credit card can trap you in fees, high interest, and bad rewards. But choosing the right one, that's how you build a 750+ credit score the smart way. Today I'm breaking down the best beginner credit cards in the US, what makes them great, and which one is right for you. Let's get into it. Section 1, what beginners should look for. Before we talk about specific cards, here's what actually matters when you're starting. No annual fee, easy approval, reports to all 3 credit bureaus, low or no security deposit, if secured, simple cashback rewards. Remember, your first card is not about luxury perks, it's about building trust with banks. Section 2, best overall beginner card. First up, Discover It, student cashback. This is one of the easiest beginner cards to get approved for. Why it's great: no annual fee, 5% cashback on rotating categories, 1% on everything else. Cashback match at the end of your first year. Designed for students with limited credit history. Discover is very beginner-friendly and known for approving first-time applicants. If you're in college, this is a strong first pick. Section 3, best secured card. If you have zero credit or bad credit, a secured card is your safest bet. Best option, Capital One Platinum Secured. Why? Low refundable security deposit, no annual fee, automatic credit line review in as little as 6 months, reports to all 3 credit bureaus. Secured cards require a deposit, but they're one of the fastest ways to start building a score. Use it responsibly, and you can upgrade to an unsecured card later. Section 4, best flat cashback card. If you want simple rewards without categories, Chase Freedom Rise. No annual fee, 1.5% unlimited cashback, designed for first-time credit users, access to Chase ecosystem later. Chase is one of the biggest banks in America, and starting with them can help you qualify for premium cards in the future. Section 5, how to use your first card correctly. Now listen carefully, this part matters more than the card itself. Here's how to build credit fast. Keep utilization under 30%, under 10% is even better. Always pay on time, set auto pay. Never carry a balance just to build credit. Use it every month for small purchases. Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score, and one late payment can drop you 100 points. Section 6, which one should you choose? College student, Discover student, no credit history, Capital One secured, want simple cashback, Chase Freedom Rise. All 3 are solid beginner choices in 2026. If you found this helpful, hit the like button. It helps the channel a lot. Comment below, what's your current credit score, or are you just getting started? And if you want a full guide on how to reach a 750+ credit score in 12 months, subscribe. That video is coming next. See you in the next one.